An error that was made here was that I recorded the starting mass in ounces, which should have been recorded in grams. So when I converted ounces to grams, uh, the starting mass was actually 40.61 grams. And the amount changed is 0.21 grams. So in this experiment, the law of conservation of mass relates to this experiment because the experiment supports the law by saying that matter cannot be created or destroyed in a physical or chemical process, and it can only be transformed into different forms of energy or matter. The baking soda reacted with the vinegar to produce carbon dioxide gas, sodium acetate, and water. Uh, and since more energy was needed to break the baking soda and vinegar apart, the temperature went down, and this reaction is known as endothermic reaction. This was an endothermic experiment, and an endothermic experiment, um, it's where heat is absorbed during the reactions. So they take in more energy than they give off, which leaves the surroundings cooler than the starting point. A good example of an endothermic experiment is the evaporation of water by sunlight. This experiment consisted of part one and part two. Part one was open system, and part two was closed system. And um, a good example of an open system is a pot with boiling hot water, and the heat energy is being exchanged with the surroundings, and so is the matter. But in a closed system, only the heat energy is exchanged with its surroundings while the matter stays inside the pot.